This is 1720 Lombard Street, large apartment building in Philadelphia. Bordering the Rittenhouse Square and Graduate Hospital neighborhoods. Beautiful tree-lined street. Rittenhouse Square is just a couple blocks north. Beautifully maintained apartment building. Very secure and safe. Code entry to access. This is some of the common area. Really pretty landscaping. A lot of very unique, character-filled apartments. This is the property. And really pretty. And there's all sorts of units here. This is the entrance for most of the units. There are some entrances along here. And one apartment in there. This is the mail area. How you doing? This is the mail area. Second locked door here. On every floor there's a trash chute. Okay, right there. This is the elevator to get to many of the units. Enter. Now we're going to the basement to show you the additional laundry services. Right here, some additional laundry services. Most of the units have stackable washer and dryer inside the unit. Okay. There is recycling in here. The trash can be dropped through the chute. Tons of security throughout. You'll see lots of cameras. And that is the majority of the common space. Now we're going to head up onto the unit floors for whichever apartment you're viewing now. Okay, so now we're actually back to the lobby area. This unit, 102, is, and also some updates to the building. The intercom has been updated. There's also going to be a new package room. Okay, that's been put in. Okay, and this lobby area has been updated with a skylight, mosaic, new flooring. And what's great about this unit, especially during COVID time, is that you never have to enter an elevator. You only have to come through that door, and you can open the new intercom system with your cell phone. Okay. And the entrance is right here. Mail room is right around there on the right. Package room is to the left. We came in right through there. And the unit's right here. And the last thing is the common area's been updated just a tad. Some more lighting has been added, things like that. So here's this quaint little unit. 1-bedroom apartment. Basically brand new appliances, dishwasher, stove oven, refrigerator, microwave, some cabinet space. It is first floor living. Positive is, especially during COVID, is that you have less exposure to less people, even in a larger building. So it's nice you have the benefit of a little bit better security and more experienced landlord with a larger building, but less contact with others who live in the property because you don't have to go up the elevator or use the next set of doors, which the other tenants will have to do. Okay. Simple bathroom, but very functional. Subway tile, tub, vanity with medicine cabinet. Here's some storage, coat closet. Okay, and then passing through here is your really large bedroom. Definitely big enough for an office and a bedroom combo. It's a little dark because there's no overhead lighting, but there's a number of outlets to assist with that. Again, this is on the first floor. Tons of space and room. Hardwood floors throughout. Nicely turned over. Large closet space. Runs all the way through. But also the benefit, obviously, is that you have this whole other space here for additional storage, an office, what have you. Really nice apartment, affordable. Don't let this go quick, or don't wait long, this will go quick. And that's the apartment. Large enough for a living area. Breakfast table right here. That's it.